So Sunday, we're headed to the gun range. Going to meet my brother-in-law, my sister, and my cousin and everything. We're about to have a little fun. That pretty lady right here, she's 22. She said she's an OG. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how OG she is. But she can shoot. She got a pretty nice little pistol she got right here. Little pistol there. But she OG, look at her.
For your engine, transmission, and much more can become a thing of the past. Text repair to 323232 today and get your car protected before your next repair bill hits.
That's a 22 Taurus. That's a Taurus, right? Yeah, Taurus. Taurus. So we'll get back at y'all once we pull up.
Put that on camera. You cut your hair.
I did.
It's pretty. What, Tyrone? Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
You ready? You stay ready.
We got it. I'm more ready than anybody. Why you looking at me like that?
Throw that special for the first time.
For the first time. How you like it? You like it?
Best you in that judge, I tell you.